We're entering the electrical storm at the Northern Algodones Dunes, just south of Blythe on Highway 78. The winds were so strong, 40 plus constant mile-an-hour winds. In the dunes, the sand was just blowing across the streets, and what I thought originally was pebbles hitting my fingertips. But I realized my two brothers, Ken and Jim, were getting shocked on their bikes as well. And what it was, from what I understand, the dust particles that were blown from the wind causes electrical shocks on our skins, on the bikes. And it was pretty intense for about 10-15 minutes once we got through the windstorms. I thought my GoPro was recording even longer than this. There were parts of the road to where the sand drifts were covered the whole street, and all you could do was keep your handlebars straight, and just drive through it. I know the people in the cars were thinking, "What are these crazy guys doing on the motorcycles in this wind?" But here we're pretty much gotten out of it now. I wish my GoPro was recording on some of the other things that I thought was, but oh well. There's a longer video going to be posted on our complete trip to San Diego. Anyway, thanks for watching this short clip.